Hello, good afternoon and welcome. You're watching SKTV Afternoon English News with Himavati Kumantabam. First headlines. Chief Minister Kim Chan denies any restriction on Meitei Naga travel in Kangpokpi, suspects certain elements trying to create tension among communities. Kuki Human Rights Council KHRC and Kuki Youth Organization KYO asked people to respect security arrangements, appeal not to enter buffer zones, sensitive areas without security. Jirbam police arrest drug supplier Rohim Mia from West Bengal's Malda, who was linked to drug-related FIR registered in Jirbam. And Centre will continue financial assistance to state to promote pony, says Union Minister of Animal Husbandry and Dairying Rajiv Ranjan Singh. Now let's take a look at the news in detail. Chief Minister Kim Chan has expressed strong concern over some forces attempting to sow discord and create rivalry among communities, claiming that there is no question of travel restrictions for Meiteis and Nagas in Kangpokpi district. He was speaking at a Har Ghar Tiranga public meeting at Yumnam Leka Yumjau Larenbi Lampag. Earlier in the morning, the Chief Minister flagged off a Har Ghar Tiranga rally from Ibudha Luang Pukpa Lampag, Chingamakha. The rally, organized by the BJP Singjamai Mandal, proceeded along the Indo-Myanmar route and concluded at Yumnam Leka Yumjau Larenbi Lampag. Rajya Sabha MP and BJP Manipur Pradesh President A. Sarda, BJP Manipur in charge Dr. Ajit Gopachade and numerous party workers also attended the event. Speaking further, Kim Chan highlighted Manipur's history of unity, stating that various communities have historically shared the responsibility of governing and protecting the state. He pointed out that the first speaker of the Manipur Legislative Assembly was from the Paite community in Churachandpur. Emphasizing that the state cannot progress while divided by ethnic mindsets, Kim Chan urged the majority Meitei community to act as a unifying elder brother and embrace all communities. The Chief Minister also recalled his warm reception in Kangpokpi yesterday, emphasizing that the reality on the ground contradicts common perception of hostility.
Participant Lusalaka Parta election Dorkanda Yana Bus of Asiada Maning Tamba Leva Amagi Sarkar Simba Madambugi Speaker Wajibu Speaker Wajiba Manipur Legislative Assembly in 1947. The Speaker William Gibbon Padu Sorasan Pudagi Paitini. Yan anda Manipuri Assembly, the Speaker will give up 1947-48. How the Speaker will give them Badu Pegi Chorasan Pudagi Paiti. So Aina Tanzania Wapam di Manipurasi community Mayamasina Punanga Agalami Highway. Maitei na Maitei Kalaba Kuki na Kuki Kalaba Nagana Nagan Kalaba Kasum Manipur Saput Payawe.
Meanwhile, BJP Manipur Pradesh President and Rajya Sabha MP A. Sharda Devi emphasized that the government must play a pivotal role in restoring peace to Manipur to reflect the true meaning of an independent nation. She pressed the current Chief Minister for implementing significant measures to build state unity, adding that she felt immense pride as party president witnessing these endeavors. Sharda criticized the opposition for allegedly spreading false propaganda and misrepresenting the Chief Minister's meetings with various communities in Jirbam district aimed at restoring peace. She highlighted the Chief Minister's recent visits to Kangpokpi, Churachandpur and Sanapati as crucial government initiatives designed to restore normalcy in the state. The Rajya Sabha MP also sought public cooperation for the Chief Minister's future visits to other districts and ongoing peace-building efforts.
Comment mayamama narratives mayamama opposition party na sagada na ba dumagpanay tungan ba Manipur gi laijari ba Bheli gi tampak sa chatpada Manipur gi lairi ba praja na Manipur gi Chief Minister ku pamda bani haida na ba hota ba kayama tawi adubo ngasi Honorable Chief Minister na Churachandpur chatpa, Kangpopi chatpa, Senapati chatpa, sumaya na matang chatpa sina hojit ay na panjadraga su sarkar ni policy program ni sakya dapat mayama malay ni community mayama mo kuno wagi program ma thauna lay na hanba lay tana rich lawa ka Manipur praja ni dapat ta chenbi bahai se Honorable Chief Minister ni dapat ta ekoi punamak na sobat pang thoi hai se masima so ai miyang da thamjari anai na tension jaraga makha tarpada Bharat ngasidi aduki matik mangjil thaba leibak mayang samdang na bada sothadaba leibak puna mangna ikai khumna leibak ama koi base masima Manipur su aduma India ki manuda leibak adu state na na ko yaw
Kuki Human Rights Council KHRC and Kuki Youth Organization KYO vehemently condemn and reject the visit of Manipur Chief Minister Mr. Y. Kim Chan to Kangpukpi and his reception by Kuki MLAs Nimcha Kipgen and Haukolet Kipgen. In a press note, KHRC stated that the visit is a cheap, shameful and divisive tactic to create confusion and project a false narrative of normalcy to the world, asserting that the Kuki community completely rejects this political stunt. The organization claimed that the Kuki and Meitei communities have been totally separated since 3rd May 2023 by history, land, identity, buffer zones, ethnic boundaries and the blood of over 250 martyrs. It asked the Chief Minister to stop visiting Kuki areas, stating he has no moral or constitutional right to enter Kuki territory. In a separate press note, KYO took serious note of the visit and the announcement concerning free movement along national highways. It appealed to Kuki leaders, civil society organizations and the public to carefully consider ground realities, existing security situations and civilian protection before supporting statements regarding unrestricted movement. KYO added that no individual or organization should cross any buffer or sensitive area without proper authorization, stating that any violation or attempt to provoke confrontation must be addressed through responsible authorities. KYO appealed to all Meitei, Kuki and Tangkhul communities to respect existing security arrangements and avoid actions that could reignite tension. Jirbam police arrested a suspected drug kingpin in Malda, West Bengal, in connection with an FIR registered at the Jirbam police station. The suspect, identified as Rohim Mia, is allegedly involved in a major drug racket. Acting on a tip-off, Jirbam police conducted a joint operation with the Gazol police station at Gazol Junction near Kadubari. Rohim Mia was apprehended on August 6 at Sashani near Babra Masjid under the jurisdiction of the Kalyachak police station. After being produced before the Chief Judicial Magistrate Court in Malda, he was brought to Manipur on a 4-day transit remand. He will next be produced before the Court of Judicial Magistrate First Class in Jirbam. Union Minister of Panchayati Raj, Animal Husbandry and Dairying Rajiv Ranjan Singh has vowed to continue supporting the conservation of the endangered Manipuri pony. The assurance was communicated in a formal letter to former Rajya Sabha MP Leshim Sanajauba, responding to a special mention Sanajauba raised in Parliament on March 17, 2026. The minister affirmed that the central government will provide all necessary assistance to the Manipur government to ensure effective conservation. It further highlights the collaborative effort operates under the framework of the Manipuri Pony Conservation and Development Policy 2016. It emphasized the efforts where the owners and clubs are allowed to register their ponies with the Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Department using RFID microchips. The letter also mentioned Pony Registration System (PRS) software to build a unique database of the Manipuri pony population while simultaneously executing targeted breeding strategies to preserve the breed. The Ministry of Home Affairs, the Government of Manipur and Kuki Zoo insurgent groups have reportedly signed a revised tripartite suspension operations zoo agreement in New Delhi. According to a report by Northeast Now, the updated agreement upholds the territorial integrity of Manipur and provides for political dialogue within the framework of the Constitution of India. The high-level meeting brought together senior representatives from the central government, the state administration and two major Kuki armed groups, namely the Kuki National Organization and the United People's Front. It further reported that the revised ground rules and terms of the agreement took effect immediately upon signing and will remain valid for 1 year. Under the revised operational norms, 7 designated camps will be shifted away from sensitive and conflict-prone areas, while the overall number of active camps will also be reduced. As part of the camp consolidation process, cadres will be required to deposit their weapons with the nearest Central Reserve Police Force (CRPF) or Border Security Force (BSF) camps. Official estimates put the combined number of designated camps operated by the KNO and UPF at around 14, mainly located in the hill districts of Churachandpur and Kangpokpi. These camps house approximately 2,200 armed cadres. The original tripartite Sioux agreement was signed in 2008 with 25 Kuki insurgent groups operating under the KNO and UPF, comprising 17 groups under the KNO and 8 under the UPF. The agreement has since been extended periodically. Now, before we move on, it's time for a short commercial break. We'll be right back. Stay tuned.
Great opportunity for local operators. SKTV is expanding. Come and be a part of SKTV revolution with high-speed internet, IPTV along with OTT and other benefits. We are building stronger connections through franchising. Become a local cable operator and provide reliable information and entertainment to your neighbors. Unlock your growth with our technology and top-tier service. So if you're looking for exclusive partnership opportunities, then please call us at 700-5259-437 or 897-420-9157.
Welcome back. You're watching SKTV Afternoon English News. More news and updates. Kuman United Club and Meira Paibis Association, Kukma, along with Mayang Imphal Youth Association, MYKKAE, have strongly condemned the frequent arrests of UNLF cadres who are currently in political dialogue with the union government following a peace agreement. Speaking at a press conference at Mayang Imphal, KUCMA General Secretary Yumnam Dijendro Mangang voiced strong dissatisfaction over the detention of 3 UNLF cadres by Jirvan police on August 7 after they were summoned under the pretext of holding talks, demanding their immediate release. He also cited a past incident where former UNLF Chief of Army Staff, Tokchom Ashidaba Mapu, alias Yanishore, was arrested under framed charges. Dijendro Mangang warned that such actions risk derailing the ongoing peace process and eroding public trust in the peace agreement.
MBA기 미호이승 파워 야닝데 마코이부 컨디션 럭나 타도피오 마코이 파워 하이버세 사터리바 peace agreement 아마디 political dialogue 와한 톡 레헨더버니 하이나 로 government of India amari uleb anigi mrakta tongriba peace agreement miamna sawatuna akoi lakpane adubo asumba miamna sawuliba peace agreement asibu karigumba pula kanogi government gi SPSing OCSing amadi mari lenabo authorities sing na thugaina selliba se koi sarkar asin masi tidok bio makoi montam de action lokat bio karigumba lakhotaba taragati amadi akoina hajan gi ba akoi kedai ulabi kedara sibo kudak thadorok taba taragati JDUM di Imphal jirigi seosu jin changsil khongjang singda mayang kan de leiriba kungma amadi maikina masi khongthang sena leptuna makhataba khongjang ga saru yanaba sem sa.
A one-day motivational counseling session was held today at the Times Tutorial Seminar Hall at Sangai Pro Mamanglekai. The institute organizes this counseling event annually to guide local youth. Times Tutorials founder Yenkokpam Inauba, Tokpam Gambir Chan Meitei and Assistant Professor of Department of Clinical Psychology RIMS Imphal, Dr. Pampal Khumukcham, attended as resource persons. Speaking at the event, Yenkokpam Inauba highlighted the impact of modern advancement. He noted that rapid growth in science and technology creates unique challenges for students today. The session aimed to help students navigate these daily obstacles effectively. Moreover, experts provided parents with practical advice on supporting their children's education and well-being.
ꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯎ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯌꯥꯎꯒꯅꯤ ꯀꯗꯥꯏ ꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯟꯚꯣꯜꯕ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯔꯠꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯂꯤꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯁꯟ ꯐꯥꯔꯁ ꯁꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ 30 ꯃꯤꯅꯠꯀꯤ ꯒꯦꯞ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯦꯔꯦꯟꯠꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯂꯤꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯄꯤꯛꯄ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯣꯕꯥꯏꯜꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯍꯤꯡꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯉꯥꯡꯅ ꯁꯛꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯄꯔ ꯄꯦꯔꯦꯟꯇꯤꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯄꯦꯔꯦꯟꯇꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯗꯤꯁꯤꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯅꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯂꯦꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯅꯤꯛ ꯒꯦꯖꯦꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯄꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯤꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯦꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯄꯔ ꯒꯥꯏꯗ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯤꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯦꯔꯦꯟꯠꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯅꯦꯁꯦꯁꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤ ꯈꯟꯖꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯏꯝꯁ ꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯣꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯦꯔꯦꯟꯠꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯃ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯕꯅꯤ.
The banned outfit KCPPWJMC Unification has lifted the ban imposed on Awang Dental Clinic located near Poirai-Romba, Khongnang-Makhong in Imphal East. The group also cleared Professor Thangjam Sumendro, head of department at Jennings Dental College, of all allegations. According to a press release signed by PRO Chinkhinganba, the outfit had earlier accused Professor Sumendro of redirecting government hospital patients to his private clinic and charging excessive fees to poor patients. However, following a detailed discussion between the outfit and the professor, no wrongdoing was found on his part. Consequently, the outfit decided to revoke all restrictions on both Professor Sumendro and Awang Dental Clinic with immediate effect. Now moving on in the sports news. Joydev Thongam of Super Gym Kurai won the overall senior title at the 23rd Mr. Imphal East District Level Bodybuilding Contest 2026, which took place at Kurai Kala Bhavan under the aegis of All Manipur Bodybuilders Association, AMBA, with around 30 athletes from 16 gyms participating. Super Gym Kurai organized the event alongside Imphal East District Bodybuilders and Fitness Association. In the senior men's category, M. Barnol of August Gym secured second place behind Joydev Thongam, while Mohammad Ishtiyaq Hussain of RCCYAS finished third place. M. Barnol also claimed gold in the junior men's category ahead of silver medalist Rajkumar Mangal of Super Gym Kurai and bronze medalist Chandam Bulu of RCCYAS. In the master category, Thangjam Kiran of Super Gym Kurai won gold, followed by Sanasam Ranjan of X Fitness with silver and Chetan Kumar Yumnam of Hugshel's Gym with bronze. Finally, Kishan Nungthombam of Royal Gym won the men's sports physics title, with Pusham Ajash Khan of the Physic Empire and W. Kailash of A3 Kurai secured second and third places respectively. Cash awards, certificates, medals and trophies were presented to all winners. Manipuri weightlifter Namairapam Tomcho Mitei won the overall gold medal for India in the junior 60 kg category at Asian Youth and Junior Weightlifting Championships 2026. The event is taking place at the new Uzbekistan Olympic Town in Tashkent. Tomcho lifted a total of 266 kg to secure the top spot and recorded 116 kg in snatch and 150 kg in clean and jerk. India's Guru Naidu Sanapathy bagged the silver medal in the same category. He lifted 119 kg in snatch and 146 kg in clean and jerk, making a total of 265 kg. Prince Kale de los Santos of Philippines took bronze medal with a total lift of 264 kg, 120 kg snatch, 144 kg clean and jerk. The championship began on August 7 and will continue till 14. Around 300 young weightlifters from 29 Asian countries are competing in the event. So far, India has won 5 medals in the tournament. And in the weather report, according to ICAR Regional Center Lamphel-Pat, Manipur recorded a maximum temperature of 30.4 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was recorded at 22.5 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 92% in the morning and 65% in the evening. Manipur received a maximum rainfall of 0.2 millimeters during the last 24 hours. Now, before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Kim Chan denies any restriction on Meitei Naga travel in Kangpokpi, suspects certain elements trying to create tension among communities. Kuki Human Rights Council KHRC and Kuki Youth Organization KYO ask people to respect security arrangements, appeal not to enter buffer zones, sensitive areas without security. Jiribam police arrest drug supplier Rohim Mia from West Bengal's Malda, who was linked to drug-related FIR registered in Jiribam. And Centre will continue financial assistance to state to promote pony, says Union Minister of Animal Husbandry and Dairying Rajiv Ranjan Singh. Now that's all we have for today's afternoon English news. Thank you for watching SKTV. Keep watching for more news and updates. Have a good day.